Hey people, so this particular video I want to make to thank this one subscriber. His name is Rajesh Kumar, and he must be just a college kid, yeah. But it is so sweet. I mean, he really takes the effort to type out a message, in the comment section. So I really want to say this, that now with Facebook and Instagram, and it's like the world has become a family, like literally Vasudeva Kutumba. So I mean, so when someone takes that effort to type out something nice, it really makes a difference in in a person's life. Like, so I need to remember the like remind myself this when I'm typing out nice messages for some celebrities and all, because we might think that it's just a random message that we are sending, but the recipient feels really happy. So thanks, Rajesh Kumar. This is your messages make my day. I mean, I find it very sweet, very he writes in his own cute little style. English for me, not incoming, only outgoing, or something like that. He types, but it is so sweet. And I wish I could speak in Telugu, but like I told him in the messages, if I speak Telugu, people will forget their own Telugu. So we cannot risk that happening. So on that note, no, this lockdown, yeah, my brain is also in lockdown mode. What do I do? But anyway, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.